Gwan Squad. So, you know, said the link with my brethren Cruz. He works at very amazing products, pure food, soccer, all of that. And he's a fan of the videos, he rate the squad, and it's a big up, and he wanted to do something for the squad. So we're trying to figure out what we could do. And I said, yo, why don't do a giveaway? So the man is donating 15 cases of soccer. I'm going to give them away to people who I rate, love and thing. And then maybe in the future, we can get some bigger giveaways going on for the squad, you see me? Yo, let's go take a little tour, grab the products, and then let's get on the road.
Gwan Squad?
Yeah, that is it. Big up to VAP, big up to Soccer, big up to Pure Foods. You know guys, then a big bomber cloth factory in watch you. And they make all the products that you like and love. Pure water, the pure syrup. Yes guys, come get your products, you see me? Make sure you buy pure products. Ginger beer, have no fear. Shall I jump in? Alright squad, so took me on a wicked tour, couldn't show you a lot of things, you know, VIP and all them things, but right now we're actually going to get to test a new flavor before it hit the market, so I'll make sure it's good before you guys have to try it. I'll make sure you buy it. The bottle has no label on it, man now tell me the flavor, I have to like figure it out, so let's see what I want here. Peach. I'm wrong.
Strawberry.
Tastes nice. Yeah. Can go on. Splash. Pure.
You see, I showed it off camera.
Ah, big up. Guys, that cool. I like to like test products and things.
So we're handing these over to James, so him and his squad can go on with all soccer things with the soccer merch.
Yo, that is it. Squad, this is coming to you live and direct. I think this first set, going to give out a Portland Cottage. Hopefully we get some more, depends on Cruz. And then we'll give out more things, you see me? So big up. Fishing tournament this weekend. PWD fishing tournament. We're going at it. The team is here. Ray, Travis, of course, always. Puss, Todd. Now we have the new members. You know, Uncle Dunks, Timmy, Adam, Nick, and Toby. But of course, you know who are on the show. Puss and Todd. I'm here to film. I don't really fish no more. Toby gonna help me film. And the rest of the man, them really here to drink and wine rod. So, forward for the adventure. Let's go, guys. Woo! Squad, I'm coming home. I'm back to PWD. You know, sir. Boss gun, that is it. Guys, we're back at the fucking top lodge and watch out. People there. Bomba or Tula?
That is the easy twist.
It's my first time seeing this.
Let's make all rigging easy.
That's actually
Man, this is like cheating. I've never seen this tool before.
Done.
holy shit.
Perfect.
Yo,
Don't get better than that.
the game has been changed.
Wait, it's gonna come.
Alright, catch him from behind.
Catch him before he dives, bro.
Oh my god!
Huh?
I got scared.
I don't want to stretch for it.
Stretch,
No, I'm not gonna stretch, bro. I gotta catch it.
Don't bite me! Yo, Charlie, that come round to your foot, you know.
Catch with your ass! Come, bitch! Ah! Bro, it made me bleed, bro.
You know, like. Alright, squad, so it's night time. The man them.
That's why it's dark.
The man them. the man them I go bed. And they put me in, you know.
We're living rough life.
Then put me on the floor. So guys, before bed I just want to give you some motivation. You know, even if in the darkest times. Bro, what is wrong with these jackals? So even when times are hard, when things are dark, like right now, just remember, the sun always rises again. Glad, yo! Alright, I'm gone later. Alright, sir. Yo, that's not bad enough.
Good start to the day.
What's up, Captain?
Come on. Waiting on some more.
Careful when
Hold
I'm
on.
Careful when I'm going.
Stick it. Oh, look out. Lines back in, please. Let's go. They're right here.
I'm tired of when I feel like I fly all the time now, myself. Class, you know.
How you feel about that size there? You happy with that size there?
Yeah, decent boy that.
You want a couple more?
Yeah.
So guys, the fish them are run. Hopefully this keeps up, you see me? It's called fishing, not catching. I really just video now, to be honest guys. I don't really fish anymore. I caught a couple marlin in my life. I caught a yellowfin tuna, a couple of wahoo. Like, you see me? I'm a guy. That's a barracuda. This tournament we're not weighing them. They don't count, but you know them can eat and can win a little Calcutta, so we'll go again.
Shot, grab him.
Shot, grab him. Hey Chad, you're now drafted to the team Diana.
Great, that.
You look like you need to pull the shirt off Adam back.
You hear that, squad?
No. Bomba man, boss him belly.
What's up, squad? James Eckler's on the rod.
Gay! Help him with the line there.
Not getting no help. Keep followers and strong.
I'm not.
Come on, guys.
Why not go your way, girl, boy?
Hey,
Leave it. Alright squad, fish got off right there, but you know, we'll go again. That is it, it's fishing, not catching. You know what I mean? So there's many types of fishing, and all of them, you don't really catch fish. However, what we're doing is called trolling, where you keep a steady speed, you put out your lines with lures that attract the fish, and they you see me? But now, we're going to switch up a little bit. We've got some good fish. But now, we're going to try tuna fishing. Because we see birds. Don't know if you can see them. Another one. Nick was late with the coconut water yesterday, so I just slapped him in a barrel and now we're even. So we've sent down the lines, you know, with a trout bait. A little different style, you know, switch up the flavor. Nice, eh? Alright, teamwork again, you go hold me.
just going to keep circling. That's all I'm going to do.
See there?
Boy.
Yo, come here, Addy.
What? On your feet. One more second. Right bottom.
What? Got him?
Good. Very nice.
Where are the birds?
Yo! Right.
Unknown.
Yeah, how much more to go?
10.
Alright. Here, them fish just strong, you hear him beating. Bumbo. That's a What's the bomb?
These are the boats. It's a part of Monko.
This is the first tournament we've got to fish together in a long time, Toby. So, what are your thoughts?
Good day. Nice size tuna. Good size wahoo. Uncle Duncan got the biggest wahoo.
Mr. Stewart, what do you think about that?
It's always a good day when we're fishing, James.
Degenerates?
It's always a good day when we're catching. Always a good day.
Yo, you know, enough time when I'm filming, I'm there like, yo, you know what blows my mind? How fucking good I look. Diana. Come, big fish for big boat, you know. Come in. That's
pretty.
You can lift it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, look here, right. See that? You see him there? Chad. What is it?
51.6.
Does this count as molested or? What? It's fine. That don't really look mutilated. Tail still on.
What happened in the box?
I think it lose 2 pounds from that, you know. It's at the time.
34.
That looks more molested than mutilated, you know. Yo, we're there with the best chef in the world and the other best chef in the world, Newton and Baghdad, in the kitchen. What is this now? Oh, Stampango. Stampango. Kalalu. Fricassee. What is this one now?
Rice.
Oh, rice again?
Yeah.
So it's fricassee, chicken, rice, kalalu.
And oxtail.
Oh, oxtail a cook? Where oxtail?
Right here. Right here. Oxtail.
Yo, guys, you know when you come down to Portland Cottage, they can link Baghdad. And look, them all make some pudding.
Yeah, the vegetable and put it a pudding.
Bumbleclot. Watch out. Yes, Newton.
How big pudding?
Pudding. Lisa, take care of me like your son. The
You know,
pudding vegetable, James.
You know what you should have done? You know what you should have done with this? Mix your coconut milk and thing with the sugar and squeeze it up. And to the last part of it, you put it on to make the custard on the top.
Again?
To make custard on the top. When you put in
Chef and chef at all. I listen. How's the food?
Shot. Bones alone left.
What you say?
Loud. Baghdad for the win.
Baghdad forever. So day one is complete, and what do you think about the day, Sir Zaidi?
And the day was excellent. I think Todd and Chad did an excellent job implementing the spread, which was superior to the rest. And we trolled for some tuna. We're lucky enough to get one.
Ah, that is it. We're coming to the great Todd Lazarus, son of Snapper, son of Anarchy, brother of Zaki, and me, and Richie. And let me ask something.
Yes.
How was the trolling for the tuna?
The trolling went well, eh? We had out a bird with a cedar plug.
A cedar, okay.
Cedar plug.
What does that mean exactly?
So a cedar plug looks like a dart, and it has a metal head that looks like almost like a
dildo.
No, not that.
Not that
More
one.
like
That's the other one.
like say like a 9mm. That's what it looks like. Then
Okay.
you have a wood. Then you have a hook.
I'm telling you, it's a dildo the man is talking about.
Now we're coming to Nicholas Hudson, father of Max, so that's his best accomplishment to date. Even though I do love Isla and Caroline, but Max is my best friend, my only friend. Yes, sir.
Well, I don't even know what place we're in, but
Fourth.
fourth place.
We're
We're not
fourth
far
place.
off. We
We're
did
not
have,
far.
No,
We're
it's
not
like
far
it's like a
off.
4-point difference.
yeah, we had one fish that was also disqualified because it was mutilated.
The man,
Mutilated.
yo, the dictionary need a dictionary today. So,
Yeah,
hold on.
mutilated, they say.
What that means is we had the fish on the rod, we are wine her in, we are bring it in, and something bite it and f it up to another whole fish. So they don't count it because they say that's stupid.
It's technicalities of the sport. It was the whole fish. It did have a bite mark of another fish while it was reeling up. Right on the tail, it was still whole. Not even chunks were missing. I mean, a good doctor would have stitched it up perfectly.
Chad, what you are saying now?
Well, right now, my exhaust.
The man Masturbator.
Hey man, they make me work too hard today. But we have five fish. We're gonna murder them tomorrow.
They could have been better, but the morning was good. We're in 4th place.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna take it to them.
Not far behind.
Yeah.
Take it to them tomorrow.
All right.
I think we should be in 1st place.
Yeah, cause we did the molested fish cut. I mean,
The fish got molested on his way up, so.
yeah.
But yeah, we're basically morally we're number 1 right now. I think you can agree.
I agree.
Yeah. Watch our James there. What you tell James while he's not on the vlog, bro?
James, yeah. See, dog, wake up and f***ing forward, brother.
Daddy, how's day 2 going?
Not going too bad. Catch a nice one. Wow, Adam was an angler. I would say it's about a 50-pound boy.
Kiss him, kiss him. Yeah, wind it, wind it.
Help me with the fish.
Bombo clock.
37.
Bombo.
130.
Yo, this is such a big fish. That's fucking crazy. How big?
138.6.
Yo, that's as much as my balls.
This man has the largest ball sack in the world.
So nobody now give it a kiss. Yeah. It's a squad. That's called a yellowfin tuna. And this one fat like my balls.
I'm searching. Way bigger than you like that.
Yes, man. So what about the heart?
Would only be you.
Grandfather used to make me eat the heart until he make my hood big, you know. Never work up. Let's see what I'm going here.
I should have video.
You should get an award
Show them.
and the Grammy.
I hope I don't get sick. What type of salt was that?
We make it.
We make it is that bad, but pepper. Them have different.
Not nice.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Fresh fish is super good.
And he make the salt himself too.
We get the go out, get real clean water, dehydrate it all down, and then do our own.
Show them.
Yeah.
Where them can buy that?
Online, MiamiSaltSupply.com.
Baghdad. Gwan Squad. They are the top notch team. One Baghdad, the #1 chef. That is it. We love Portland Cottage and we love all the people in Portland Cottage. So we work with Pure Foods and Saka. We do a little giveaway. Watch it. All of them, yeah. For the man them. Hold there. Baghdad. Man, make sure you share them out with everybody. And make sure you bring a couple of girls well.
Alright.
That is it. Saka.
Thank you.
One last.
We always take care of with people. Look at guys, look at this. Tell them how we explain rugby today.
Just imagine this guy and this guy on the same rugby team, right?
School not a sense. The school not a sense.
6'4" versus
4'3", 4'5", 4'6".
4'5", 4'6".
6'4" and 4'6".
Man was dyslexic.
But I was a little decent, right?
You're a good scrummer.
Yeah.
You're a good scrummer.
I'll
You could
take
get
off
in
my
there,
head.
you could get in there, you could
Yeah.
get that ball, dig it up.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah. That is it, guys. Battery is dead, so big up the blood class for Ghana Town.